to discuss the problem number 7. Nana. Here 1000 watt by meter square is given. This is called watt by meter square is called power by area. Power by area is called intensity. This light is 50% absorbed, 50% reflected. Find the pressure. Find the what? Nana? Pressure. Keyword in the problem. This is the wave. Nana. Okay. This wave 50% absorb, 50% reflect. That is the keyword. Here we know that absorb means pressure formula is I by C. How much percent, Nana? 50%. This is the formula for wave absorbing. Wave reflected, that means 2I by C is also 50%. Okay? Here, Nana, in the both side, common term is 50 by 100, Nana. I by C also common. Here 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 will get 3. 50. How many times? 2 times. I into 3 by 2C. This is the formula for pressure, Nana. What is the formula for pressure, Nana? Pressure formula is 3I by 2C. Okay? This is the formula. In the given data, 3 by 2, okay, Nana. I value is given 1000, Nana. C, velocity of light value is 3 into 10 power 8. 3 cancel. To solve that, finally we get the answer. Next problem, Nana. Important model, Nana. Here, Nana, electromagnetic wave in the vacuum has electrical field and magnetic fields E bar and B bar are always perpendicular to each other. Polarization. Nana, polarization means polarization is denoted by X in this topic, X bar. Polarization means sensation of vision. Vision generally created in the electrical field. So that's why electrical field always parallel to the polarization. Electrical field always parallel to the polarization. Simply called as polarization is nothing but the electrical field. Electrical field is nothing but the polarization. Polarization meaning is sensation of vision. Vision create only electrical field, not the magnetic field. So that's why polarization always taken as parallel to the electrical field. Again, for example, according to question here, electrical field, this is the electrical field, Nana. This is the magnetic field, Nana. Both are perpendicular. According to mathematics, E bar cross B bar is a, for example, A, B, two vectors, both are multiplied, it gives C bar. C bar is a perpendicular to plane of A bar and B bar, Nana. That means E key, B key, ela undali vache vector perpendicular. Perpendicular means x axis, y axis. This is the z axis, Nana. This can be right here, Nana. This is the C bar. Nana, E bar cross B bar gives the C bar. C bar is another vector, Nana. C bar is another vector, Nana. Here, this is C bar in this direction. According to Maxwell theory, Nana, wave propagation is perpendicular to the electrical field and magnetic field. Electrical field x-axis, magnetic field y-axis. Automatically, wave propagation is along the z-axis. That means here wave propagation is nothing but the k. This is called propagation constant. This is called wave vector. Wave propagation parallel to the E bar cross B bar. Nana, E bar cross B bar nothing but the C bar. That means here this C bar is in the same direction of wave propagation. That means both are parallel. Okay, this is the best option. Okay, next question. Ninth question. Look here. Here, according to question, E equal to 30 cos kz minus 5 into 10 power 8 t. Okay, here find the wave vector. Wave vector means find k value. Okay, generally what is the formula for k? Omega by c. Okay, here this is the basic equation. E naught cos, okay, k z minus omega t. Here according to equation omega value is 5 into 10 power 8, c value is 3 into 10 power 8. 10 power 8 what cancel. K is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 we get 1.66. This is the K is called wave vector or propagation constant. Okay. Next here, look here. This is the 10th problem. Here frequency denoted by n. N is given 3 into 10 power 14. According to this equation, electrical field amplitude also given. E naught is given 27. From the options given below, which describe the magnetic field for this wave. Magnetic field equation is B equal to B naught. Here wave propagating along x-axis. Keyword in the problem. Wave propagating along x-axis. B equal to B naught sine. Here x indicate propagation of wave, k indicate propagation constant or wave vector. This is the expression. Here B naught is not given. B naught and we know that E naught and CB naught. B naught and E naught by C. Pakkana sin here kx minus omega t. Here according to this equation here, look here. E naught value 27, C value 3 into 10 power 8 into sine of here k write as omega by c into x minus omega into t. Okay, here look here 27 by 3 write as 9 into 10 power minus 8 sine into here omega by c. Omega ante 2 pi 2 pi common. Here 2 pi common. Here n is remain n by c into x minus here also 2 pi common. So n into t. Omega is write as 2 pi n. Here neatly write as 9 into 10 power minus 8 sine of 2 pi into what is the n value, frequency value 3 into 10 power 14. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 into x minus n value 3 into 10 power 14 into t. Here 3 watt cancel. Finally we get 9 into 10 power minus 8 sine of 2 pi common. Here 1 into 10 power 6 into x minus 3 into 10 power 14 t. Here this is the magnetic field it is always perpendicular to the wave propagation. Wave propagation is what axis? X axis. So that's why it write as J cap or K cap. Electrical field or magnetic field both are perpendicular to the wave propagation. Wave propagation here x axis according to question. So that's why magnetic field move along y direction or along z direction. Along z direction. Next, Nana, last problem in this today, Nana. Generally, here one equation is given, Nana. Here, look here, Nana. First equation is here electromagnetic wave traveling air to medium, Nana. Here E naught sine of k x minus omega t. This equation applicable electromagnetic wave traveling in air. Next equation is E1 E2 is E naught sine 2kx minus omega t. This equation is applicable for medium. Here electromagnetic wave traveling from air to medium here, Nana. Here air, here medium. Here find permittivity of air by permittivity of medium. This is the question. We know that, Nana, in the first equation, in the air propagation constant k, in the medium propagation constant 2k. Generally propagation constant formula is omega by c. Yesterday I discussed here frequency is the fundamental property of the source. It will be does not change generally, so that's why k inversely proportional to c. Here according to this relation k medium by k air, okay, here equal to inversely, so that's why here write c air by c medium. C and a formula we know that 1 by under root mu epsilon. Mu is a constant in the topic. That means c inversely proportional to root e. Left side k medium by terminal k air equal to c air by c medium, write as under root inversely under root e epsilon medium by here epsilon air. Okay, here, Nana, k medium write as 2k according to question. Electromagnetic wave in the medium travel in the medium, that propagation constant is 2k. In air, here given the question k, in the right side under root permittivity of medium by permittivity of air. Here k cancel, Nana, squaring on both sides. Here 4 equal to permittivity of medium by permittivity of air. In the final exam, it will ask the reverse, Nana. It will be reverse reciprocal permittivity of air by permittivity of medium equal to simply 1 by 4. This is the finally we get, Nana, all exercise 3 to solve properly, because this is the very most important chapter in the JEE mains and most important topic in the NEET also, Nana. So that is why all JEE aspirants, please follow the electromagnetic waves, because total chapter now completed. Monday syllabus, Tuesday syllabus, Wednesday syllabus, Thursday, just 4 days total chapter is completed. So please revise to total syllabus.